Stjepan Hauser just arrived in Spain. A beautiful view of the city of Spain, Barcelona. Stjepan Hauser, love never forgotten. Beautiful view of the Spain. Hauser, 4 days in Spain with his gorgeous lady, the beautiful girlfriend Mariavessa, also joined his Rebel with a Europe tour Spain concert, the beautiful gorgeous lady. Stjepan Hauser and his Europe tours. Rebel with the cello tour, Europe tour. Stjepan Hauser just arrived in Spain, Barcelona, for his upcoming Rebel with the cello tour, Europe tour. His latest concerts in Spain, Barcelona. Stjepan Hauser, 4 days spending in Barcelona, Spain, and his gorgeous girlfriend Mariavessa joined the Hauser concert, and together again in Spain concert, the lovely gorgeous lady, the Ukrainian model, and Stjepan Hauser real life girlfriend Mariavessa, the gorgeous lady, with her in Spain. They are enjoying a lovely sunset and beautiful view of the Spain, a lovely museum site, swimming site, and lovely moments share with fans. A lovely video of the Stjepan Hauser and his lovely girlfriend Mariavessa. So lovely moments, and Stjepan Hauser just arrived in Barcelona, Spain. His new concerts in 1st August to 7th August. His latest concerts in Barcelona. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button, share, comment, and see you next video. Take care. Bye bye.